Everything you just watched was generated by one tool from a single product link in one session. No agency, no film crew, no editing suite. This is Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and it just launched. So what is it? Marketing Studio is the first AI workflow that takes you from a product to a finished ad. You bring a product image or paste a link, you pick a face, yours or a built-in avatar, and the tool generates your ad end-to-end across 9 different ad formats: UGC, tutorials, unboxing videos, virtual try-ons, product reviews, TV spots, all of it. And it's built for the people who actually feel the pain of making ads. If you're a solo founder launching a product, a small brand without an agency budget, a content creator getting into UGC, or a marketer who needs 10 variations by Friday, this is the workflow that used to cost $15,000 to $40,000 and take weeks. Now it's one afternoon. Quick context in case you're new here. Higgsfield is an all-in-one AI creative platform. Image, video, audio, lip sync, characters, the full stack. And right now, it's the cheapest place to run Seedance 2.0, which is the model powering every ad you're about to see me generate. That matters because when you're iterating on ads, cost per generation is the difference between testing 10 ideas and testing 2. All right, enough setup. Let me take you inside and we'll build some ads together. Here's the studio. On the left, you've got your projects. Think of these as folders. Every ad campaign lives in its own project, so you're not scrolling through a mess of unrelated generations. Up top, there's also this URL to ad tool, which is the fully automatic path. Paste a link, get an ad, done. We'll come back to that later because honestly, it's wild. But the real workspace is right here in the middle. Turn any product into a video ad, and everything happens in this one horizontal strip. Let me break it down left to right, because once you get this, you get the whole tool. First, this plus button, that's your asset picker. Uploads, AI-generated images, reusable characters, and locations all live here. Next, the prompt field. This is where you describe your ad. And here's the cool part, you don't have to write anything. You can leave it empty and the AI figures it out from your product. Or you write a one-liner, or you paste a full script. Total freedom. Then the format selector. Click this and you get the menu of all 9 ad formats: UGC, tutorial, unboxing, Hypermotion, product review, TV spot, wildcard, UGC virtual try-on, and pro virtual try-on. Each one is a completely different ad style, same workflow. Next to the format selector, this slider icon opens advanced settings: aspect ratio, resolution, duration. 7 aspect ratios including vertical for TikTok and Reels, horizontal for YouTube and Square for feed. Duration goes from 4 to 15 seconds. Set it once, forget it. And the 2 most important buttons, product and avatar. This is your whole ad in 2 slots, the thing you're selling and the face selling it. And on the far right, this big pink generate button. Under the bar, you've got this gallery of real ads generated. Every one of these has a recreate button. All right, now let's actually build something. First step, we need a product. So I'm clicking product and this modal pops up. 2 options here. You can paste a product URL from any e-commerce site and the system scrapes everything automatically, or you can create manually by uploading your own images. I'm going manual on this one because I have a product I generated with AI. I'm uploading this image and watch what happens. The studio analyzes the image on its own. It pulls the product name, Aura Paris Eau de Parfum, and writes the description. I didn't type any of that. It looked at the image and figured it out. All I do is hit create product. Done. That's my product loaded. Now I need a face, clicking avatar. You've got 40 preset avatars ready to go. Male, female, different styles, different vibes. And I want to point this out. Every avatar keeps the same face across every single format you generate. Same person in your UGC, same person in your unboxing, same person in your TV spot. That consistency is what makes this actually usable for real campaigns. I'm going with Sophia for this one. Before I generate, let me set up the output. Opening advanced settings. Aspect ratio, I'm going 9:16 because this is for TikTok and Reels. Resolution, 720p. Duration, 8 seconds. And here's the part that honestly surprised me. I'm not writing a prompt, nothing. I'm leaving it completely blank. I want to see what Higgsfield Marketing Studio does when you just give it a product and a face and let it figure it out the rest.
This Aura Paris perfume is my everyday Luxie scent. One spray, clean, warm, elegant. Seriously, I'm obsessed. This Aura Paris perfume is my everyday Luxie scent. One spray, clean, warm, elegant. Seriously, I'm obsessed.
Okay, no prompt and it made this. Look at Sophia, she's holding the bottle, talking about it. The Aura label is right there on the glass, gold cap, everything matches. This doesn't look like AI. This looks like someone filmed a real UGC creator in her apartment. The lip sync is on point, the hand motion is natural, and the product is accurate down to the label. Now, two quick things I want to point out. See these buttons at the bottom? Translate lets you take this exact video and dub it into a different language with lip sync, and Change Voice lets you swap the voiceover entirely. Alright, that was the manual upload bath. Now let me show you the other way, which is even faster. I'm clicking Product again, same modal, but this time instead of uploading images, I'm just going to paste a link. I'm grabbing an Amazon link for an adjustable dumbbell set, pasting the link right here. And now, watch, the system goes to that page, scrapes the product images, pulls the details. I'm not typing a single word. There it is, all from one Amazon link. Hit Use and it's loaded. Now for the format. This time I'm not doing UGC. I'm clicking the format selector and going with unboxing.
Next, I'm switching the avatar to, let's go with Stefan for this one. Settings 720p, and I'm bumping the duration to 12 seconds because unboxing needs that extra time for the reveal. And this time I'm actually writing a prompt. I want Stefan in a home gym setup, opening the box and pulling the dumbbell set out. Something like a real fitness unboxing you'd see on TikTok.
Finally got my hands on this adjustable set. One dumbbell replaces a whole rack, and the build feels way more solid than I expected.
And this one came out really well. Stefan follows the prompt pretty closely. He opens the box, pulls the dumbbell out, and you actually see him turn the dial to change the weight. That was the key detail I wrote in the prompt, and the model picked it up. The product itself looks accurate too. The shape, the black and red color, the dial mechanism, it's all there. Okay, next format. Now I want to show you something completely different. This one has no avatar, no talking, no UGC vibe. It's pure product, pure motion, pure visual punch, Hypermotion. For this one, I've got another AI-generated product, a fictional orange soda can I designed myself called Zest. Orange burst 330 milliliters with a really dramatic splash shot. Let's plug it in manually. Same flow as before. I drop the image in, the studio analyzes it, pulls the name, writes the description, done. Now for the format, I'm picking Hypermotion. In this case, the avatar slot stays empty, and for the prompt, I'm keeping it dead simple, just the format name. That's it, 2 words, no direction, no description. I want to see what the model does on its own with a dramatic product shot like this. And honestly, this came out really well. Look at this, the motion feels intentional, not random. There's actual direction here. It's the kind of shot that would cost you a real studio, a real product photographer, and a real motion graphics artist. And I got it in 30 seconds from a 2-word prompt. Okay, now we're gonna do something different. So far, I've been using the preset avatars Higgsfield gives you, but the real power move is making your own avatar, and it takes about 20 seconds. I click Avatar, and up at the top of the grid, there's a Create Avatar card. Click that. 2 options here. On the left, generate from a text prompt. You describe the kind of person you want, age, style, vibe, and it generates an avatar for you. On the right, upload. Turn any photo into an avatar. That's the one I'm using. Simple screen, upload zone on the left, name field on the right. I'm picking a photo I want to use as my custom avatar. And in the name field, I'm calling her Anne. I hit Create Avatar, and that's it. Anne is now part of my avatar library. I can use her across every format, and her face stays locked the same way the presets do. Same consistency, but now it's my own character. Selecting Anne, and she loads into the avatar slot. Now I need the product. For this one, I'm going to Amazon again and grabbing a clothing link because the format I'm about to use is Pro Virtual Try-On, which is the fashion format, the premium one. Now the format. Clicking the selector and this time Pro Virtual Try-On. Keeping the prompt short, but I want a real summer energy to it. Something like walking down a sunlit Mediterranean street on a hot summer day, golden hour light, warm breeze. Short, but it gives the model a clear vibe to lean into. Okay, I have to pause here because this one is genuinely something. Look at what the model just did. In one shot, it pulled off 3 completely separate things at the same time, and it nailed all of them. First, the avatar. That's Anne. Her face, her features, her expression, exactly the way the photo I uploaded looked. Not a close approximation, not an AI-generated version of her. Second, the clothing. It's the exact product from the Amazon link. The cut, the color, the fabric texture, the way it sits on her body, all correct. This is where most AI try-on tools fall apart. The clothing warps, the proportions go weird, the texture looks plastic. This one looks like she actually got dressed in it and walked out the door. Third, the environment. That Mediterranean street vibe I wrote in the prompt, it's there. The warm golden hour lighting, the architecture, the atmosphere, it feels like a real location, not a generic AI background. All right, let's wrap it up. We just went through 4 ads together: UGC, unboxing, Hypermotion, and Pro Virtual Try-On. But remember, that's only 4. Marketing Studio gives you 9 formats total: UGC, tutorial, unboxing, Hypermotion, product review, TV spot, wildcard, UGC virtual try-on, and Pro virtual try-on. 9 different ad styles, 1 product input, 1 workflow. And the engine behind all of this is Seedance 2. That's the model doing the heavy lifting on every clip we generated today. And right now, Higgsfield is the cheapest place to run Seedance 2 compared to every other platform out there. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. It's the first thing there. You can start generating with free credits, no payment needed to test it. If this video helped you out, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this on AI tools and creative workflows. And if you've got questions about Marketing Studio or you want me to try a specific product or format next, leave a comment below. I read them all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.